All right, guys, we're at downtown Disney. So we are actually doing a scavenger hunt. It's called Pluto's Pumpkin Scavenger thing. Pursuit. Something like that. So we're gonna head inside and check it out. All right, so Jordan and Daddy, we haven't, well, I mean, our whole family, we haven't been back to here in forever. It's been so long since we've been here. When's the last time we came? It's been over a year and a half. Yeah. So,
it was like
yeah, it's, honestly, it's been like a super long time. I don't even know if Crunch Baby's been here. She must have been here since.
She's been in Disneyland a couple times.
Okay, so she's been in Disneyland a couple times, but it's been, with everything going on right now, it's been forever since we've been back. I mean, even the parking lot's already been changed. We're not even parking at downtown Disney anymore. You have to park at Simba Lot, which used to be the overflow. It's kind of crazy, but let's go check this out. All right, we're gonna go through security.
Hello. All through. All the way. Let's go.
So sweet. Where's the cake pops? Your videos.
Thank you.
At least it doesn't look too busy here. That's kind of good. All right, so it's been a long time since I've been here, but this is actually the spot right here. So that's exactly where I had proposed to Crunch Mom. It was right here.
Right here?
That was 17 years ago.
17.
That used to be.
That used to be a rainbow, or no, a Rainforest Cafe, but now it's the Star Wars Trading Post. And literally everything has changed except for like the Lego store and Earl of Sandwich. But yeah, let's go over. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this scavenger hunt. So we're gonna go and get that board and some stickers, and then we're gonna start our scavenger hunt. Come with us.
Hi.
Hello.
Would you like to play our game?
Yes, please.
Okay, you buy your
Sounds good. Thank you.
So throughout downtown Disney, you have the pumpkins. So you're gonna find the pumpkins, take the sticker, put it on its location. Once you've completed this, you can turn it into either us or over at the World of Disney store and collect one of the 4 tumblers per car.
Nice,
Okay, cool.
awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun. Good luck.
Thank you. All right, here we go. So what we do is
We're gonna go around and look for all these pumpkins, okay? And then when you find it, you take the sticker and then you have to paste it onto the according spot, okay? Got it?
All right, so we just got the game card. So this thing, you take it, there's stickers on the back of it. And what you do is, once you find the pumpkin, you take the sticker and you place it on the corresponding map here, and you turn this in for a prize.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay, Jordan, we gotta look at,
Like, we gotta read where we can find it. Can you read the first?
okay, good. That's right over here.
nice. I already see one. Do you know where it is? Oh, you're kind of too short to see it.
I don't see it. Where is it?
It's right
Oh.
there. Okay, ready?
Wait, hold on.
You see it? Nice, he sees it. Nice, so you gotta take that sticker and put it onto the one that it matches.
So which one do you see? All right, so you're gonna take that sticker off, and then you're gonna place it on the pin trader one that we just saw.
Where did we say it was?
Disney Pin Trader.
Nice.
All right, so first pumpkin's done, guys.
Let's go. All right, we gotta go to the Star Wars Trading Post. Jordan, look right above you. I see one.
Oh!
What the?
Daisy.
Whoa.
It is Daisy.
Well, there's one right there.
All right, so I just found another one. I just saw it right there. I don't know how anyone would actually see that.
You have to like look straight up. And who knew that that was gonna be there?
All right, we found another one. Woo!
Nice, good job.
That's pretty cool. Let's go to the next one.
Well, you see it? All right, you
It's
got
up
it. Nice.
Jordan found it. Jordan found another one. It's right here.
Nice. I did.
All right. So the next one is at Splitsville, and that used to be the old House of Blues. All right. So we found the next one,
Which is Baymax.
which is Baymax.
Are you CrunchFam?
All right. So we got another one. That one was
Jordan,
Jordan.
which one was that?
Pluto.
Nice.
And Sultan Straw. Nice. When did your phone come in? Probably gonna call in. Yours comes in before his.
All right, guys. So we found all of them. That was Jordan found all of them. That was pretty cool. Whoa, waterfall. Waterfall. I meant fountain. All right, so we're gonna go turn this in. You're gonna go into the. You can do it at the place that we just bought it from, or you can go into the World of Disney, and you can actually collect the cup there. So we're gonna actually go do that right now, and then we're gonna go shopping. Come with us.
Oh, I forgot to record that.
Oh dear. Bubbles.
Yeah.
She's
Wow,
free
that's
already.
cool.
You know, there is something like, I don't know if it's magical or nostalgia.
It's magical. It's the magical.
So like being back in here, it's been pretty cool because we used to have season passes all the time. Like every year we would renew it. With the whole pandemic happening, we stopped it obviously because it was closed. And then we had Crunch Baby, and with Crunch Baby around, you know, we're like, okay, maybe we'll wait off. And now they finally brought back the key pass holders. I don't know, we might get passes, I'm not too sure, but it is kind of nice being back here.
The passes now, you have to have an appointment or a reservation to come in.
It's super easy though.
So it's not as crowded.
Pumpkin. That's so fun.
Oh yeah.
How was your snack break? How was it?
Good.
What are you eating?
Chocolate.
Nice. All right, so we're gonna take a little snack break right now, and then we're gonna head back. We're gonna go get our Halloween tumbler cups because we just finished our stickers. But that was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. I enjoyed that. I think the kids had fun too. Well, at least Jordan did. Kaya was just, I think she's a little overwhelmed with everything going on right now. Okay, we're gonna turn it in, but we gotta choose which one you want.
What are you gonna do with it?
You got it. She'll help you out.
I'll help you out here. Can you help me, please? Okay, and then let me have the other one. Okay, and I would like to know what mark you like.
Which one do you want? Look at all the different ones. You got this one, that one, that one, and that one. Which one do you want?
This is good, this is good. You guys will know which one, huh?
Which one, mister?
Okay, so he wants a Mickey. Oh, you like Minnie?
Oh, she wants okay, here you go.
But that one
She wants a Minnie? Here you go, sweetie.
Okay, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we are done. We just got our tumblers. We just turned in our card. Well, actually, they just stamped the card. But yeah, we completed the scavenger hunt. That was pretty fun. We're gonna go and take some pictures. And then we're probably gonna head out of here. It's changed quite a bit since the last time I've been here. But it's pretty cool. Okay guys, we're all done. We got back to the car, now we're heading back home. How was it?
It was good, but I still want to play.
Oh, you can go play at home. Yes? Oh,
A snack?
snack. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
All right guys, we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.